with the nighttime setup for the double tap. You need to understand, if you use these big lights like this, at least on one side, maybe on a couple of sides, just put them right up on the feeder barrel. Here we got these things shining down, supplemented them with these little solar landscape lights around here. So we got this whole perimeter around the tripod here underneath the feeder lit up. We got ground blinds north and south. We got this thing set up where inside of about 30 yards we are set to kill hogs and axis and other exotics that may come in at night, but especially the hogs. That's what we're after. At night we want to get these hogs out of here as much as possible so we can grow big whitetails.